Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2021 URAL Gear Up. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 5,838 miles and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. Our technician has noted that the check engine light is on and the parking brake is inoperable. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, the rear at 530 seconds, and the sidecar tire tread depth is at 530 seconds as well. Our technician has noted a leak at the axle seal. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts well. The suspension rides and handles like most other sidecars with a typical steering wobble that is noted. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the turn signal housing and wheel well, and damage on the seal around the headlight. This bike has a toolkit and one key. This is a stock bike with a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.